Am I right? Am I right?
I gotta go.
Phil! Watch out for that first step. It's a doozy.
Okay, so I'm getting ready to do a ham radio video. My family is in the movie theater over here. I am in Woodstock, Illinois. This is where they shot the movie Groundhog Day. And right over there is the town square, and they're going to have a lighting ceremony tonight or something, so there's a lot of activity going on right now. Anyway, I'm going to take you around and show you where they shot some of the stuff from one of my favorite movies, Groundhog Day. Pretty cool, huh? I don't know exactly where it was, but somewhere in here is where he went.
All right, on me in 3, 2, 1. Well, it's Groundhog Day.
We are going to be shooting in 3, 2, 1. Right there is the theater from the movie where he dressed up, where Bill Murray dressed up like Clint Eastwood.
We're going to a costume party.
In Woodstock, which is right down the street from the town center. Everything they filmed was pretty much close to here. Do you want to be on YouTube? Do you want to be on YouTube?
Sure.
Alright, so I met a friend here, and we are, he's telling he was born here. We're talking about the puddle that Ned Ryerson stepped in. No, Bill Murray stepped in the puddle here. And Needle Nose Ned said, "Watch out, it's a doozy."
People say we're doing a doozy.
Yeah, were you here when they made the movie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I seen it before I was a kid.
Well, I make YouTube videos about ham radio. You know ham radio?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I make YouTube videos, and I'm just here in town, so I thought I would get some. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Where's the puddle at?
Right in here.
Over here?
Yeah. I think.
Somewhere in here.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's how it works.
That's brand new, let me tell you. I've never seen it.
You what?
I gotta show you.
Where is it? Exactly.
It's really in the bricks.
Yeah,
but
it doesn't.
That's the closest you can get to it. So he steps this way into it. So have fun.
Yeah, thanks. Cool. So, can we get that again?
Oh, sure.
All right, we're gonna reenact the scene here on the street, and here we go. Whoa! Watch out! That first step, it's a doozy. Thank you.
Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe.
So one of the problems of being a YouTuber is I come to a park like this in a city like this is Woodstock, Illinois, by the way. I come to a park like this and it'd be a perfect place to operate, but they decide to close the park. Like, I don't get that. Why would you have a park and then just close it? Whenever you see soccer fields, that's usually the death knell for a park, because they assume like either you're there for soccer or you can't use it at all. Anyway, I understand why they lock parks. So I gotta try to find somewhere else. Guys, if I don't get this video off, I'm sorry. But this is the kind of stuff that you run into when you're a YouTuber. Alright guys, I am on vacation in Illinois, really close to Wisconsin. It's Woodstock, Illinois. And I found this open park. It's cold as here. Where am I? I'm at Kishwaukee Headwaters. And I'm going to try to make a video because I bought that mast, that small mast from Sotabeams, 33 foot, and I want to get a video out. But it's kind of a chilly day, so I'm going to be working out of my car. Normally I'd like to sit up over there or something. I'll let you have a look around, just kind of see where we're at. There's nobody here. Hope I don't get harassed or anything by park ranger or something, but I'm going to have this big old antenna mast over there. Anyway, join me, and I'm about to make a video. Hopefully it goes well. Got gotta tell you, that's pretty convenient. Pretty nice having a minivan. You can just put your stuff in there and haphazardly. Okay, I feel like I'm pretty secure here on top now. And I really love this thing. It's wonderful. It's not going anywhere. All right. Now up goes the antenna. Up goes the antenna. Do I dare go all 33 feet? There's not that much wind. There's probably like 4 to 5 mile an hour wind, so it shouldn't shake around too much. I'm kind of twisting this around. I'm gonna kind of twist it around so it doesn't... Crap, dude. It just collapsed on me. Pretty high, man. Let's see. We'll get a little bit of perspective. You can kind of see the van to antenna ratio there. All right, guys. I had a problem. The battery I bought was completely dead. So there's no point in doing anything else with this video. I apologize. I've gotten everything ready except the actual radio and power. So I'm going to turn this video, instead of wasting all of my time, I'm going to turn this video into a review of the mast I got over here and just a sample setup. They're at the movies right now and I can just run out and do this very quickly. And there's no trees around here, so it would have been very hard to throw a line up into a tree. That's why I like this setup right here. So all of this worked out perfectly. All right, so this is a fail video, but anyway, let's take a look at what I ended up with. All right, so I attached this here so it'd be up off the ground. I mean, it'll be pretty easy to run some coax right to the back of the van over here. And I've got my 30-some foot mast right here. Everything worked out well. I didn't use any tape this time. It took like 2 minutes to drive over that thing. I just looked out the back and backed over it. Very stable mast holder, except there's actually no power to power my radio. So these are kinds of things that happen to you when you're a YouTuber. You just kind of deal with it. And I didn't want to mislead anyone, but that is exactly what I'll put in the title of this movie. As you can see, it would be very hard to find a tree around here, right? No tree to speak of. So, let's say I had that mast over here. What would I attach it to? That's the question. Maybe to the trash cans. I could attach the mast to the trash cans using bungee cords or some kind of straps, but you have no idea how cold it is. It's cold and windy, and their movie is about to end, so I got to get back and pick them up. But can you see it? The mast goes right about there. Always kind of wonder just how tight should you do it. Snug but not over tight, right? You can't over tighten things. This is the Sotabeams Mast. Very convenient if you have power to your radio. Yeah, this is nice. So I ended up with kind of a mess here with my antenna. Tape off. Cap on. This thing is sweet, man. You could take this backpacking, I think.